Yerod Sengundar Engineering College is an autonomous institution approved by AICTE and affiliated to Anna University, started in the year 1996, located in 85 acres of land with serene atmosphere. ESEC is stepping ahead in 25 years of educational service to promote high-quality technical education with experienced faculty who adopt innovative methods to produce qualified engineers with good standard. Besides, ESEC aims at shaping the students' entrepreneurial skills and good character. ESEC is one of the best autonomous institutions. It is accredited by NAAC with A grade, NBA and recognized IIT Remote Center. Received fund worth of 3.5 crores from funding agencies like CSIR, GST, ICMR, BRNS, AICTE, EDI for R&D activities. ESEC has been ranked 66th position in the recent surveys conducted by DataQuest magazine, 29th place in Outlook India magazine, AAA Plus in Careers 360 magazine, 23rd position in CSR GHRDC among top-notch 100 engineering colleges in India. ESEC has well-equipped and air-conditioned laboratories with 150 Mbps internet facility. To strengthen the relationship between industries and institutions, ESEC has signed an MOU with leading companies like Infosys, Microsoft, Cisco, JSW, Texas Instruments, Peak International Trading and Contracting, NSDC, Foreman, Sanmar, NSGI, etc. To enhance self-learning, ESEC's Central Library is endowed with 50,000 books, national and international journals, e-journals, pertain to all streams of engineering and technology. Exclusive coaching classes on spoken English, soft skills and employability skills provided from the first year to final year for good placement. To provide an opportunity to students for the development of interdisciplinary skills, value-added courses such as STAT Pro, AutoCAD, Big Data Analytics, Robotics, Pneumatic Controls, Artificial Intelligence, SCADA and HMI, ANSYS, CATIA, MATLAB are being conducted. EDC offer college functions elegantly to inculcate the entrepreneurial skills of our students from the first year. ESEC encourages the students to undergo internship training in leading industries like Wipro, Cognizant, Cisco, Infosys, ISRO, JSW, Foreman, Empire, NSTI, Bell, Ashok Leyland, Sanmar, Chemplast, etc. IAS Academy of ESEC vibrantly functions for the betterment of interested students to crack competitive exams like UPSC, TNPSC. Above 95% of students are placed in renowned companies in the last 3 consecutive years. Our institution bagged 10th place in Best Placement Record among Anna University ranking list. Separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls with well-furnished rooms, provision for water purifier, solar heaters, mess facility with hygienic standards and internet connectivity. Our college operates the buses in various routes for the convenience of the students. To maintain health and fitness of students, ESEC has 9 acres of land for indoor and outdoor games. Adding a feather to the cap of ESEC, manifold laurels are brought by ESEC champions in regional, district and national level tournaments. Multi-station gym, 12 stations for men and women are established at college campus for the benefit of students. Fee concession is given to meritorious students based on their cut-off marks from ₹10,000 to ₹40,000. To make your engineering dream come true and excel in career, join at Yerod Sengundar Engineering College, Perundurai, Erode.